Yo, what's up, y'all? Sion here again today with another video, y'all. Hey, I'm back again. I wanted to talk to you all about this. I just ran up on something really cool. Before I get started though, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you're new. Check me out, Frugal Genius. My goal is to help you all come up with ways to optimize your time and money by using creative strategies. All right, y'all. But today we got a car show. And let's go look at some cars. Alright, y'all, I'm back. It was just a brief little car show seen from the interstate. Wanted to stop through just to see what was going on. Like I said the first time, y'all, take advantage of free events. This event was free, just walking through. Seen it from the interstate, said, hey, let me stop. Check it out right quick. That's why I want to tell y'all, take advantage of the free events. They out there for you to enjoy. The weather is nice. Right now it's probably about 75, 80 degrees. The sun is out. A little bit of clouds, but it's very beautiful outside. Y'all, hopefully you enjoyed the pictures and the little video that went with it. But like I said, like and subscribe if you're new. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Peace.